Welcome to the video lecture series on Python programming. In this video, I am going to discuss about the break, continue, and pass, and how to use these three things. Break. Sometimes we know the loop which we are going to execute is not going to terminate, and we need to terminate it forcefully. Or there is a second case when we need a forcefully stop on a particular condition like an interrupt. In these type of cases, we generally use a break statement. Here, the IDE which I am using is Jupyter Notebook. Let's have a look to break statement. When I am using a for loop for I in range 5 and I am giving here print I with a condition if I is equal to 3. Break. Now what it means? It means one by one the I variable is used from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times from the value 0 to 4, and the value of I 0 is print here, condition false, again loop starts, I is equal to I plus 1, I is equal to 1 and condition false, I is equal to 2, condition false, I is equal to 3, and then it comes to the if condition and break. Means if we are going to execute this line of code, you will not see anywhere 4 because the loop terminates forcefully with this break statement. Take another example to understand the concept of break. Break is basically a forcefully termination. Let's see an interesting example. Harsh. I am using here a string and one by one I am going to call the alphabet. Say I am using here a condition and break, and you can say here I am using here print I. Now what it means? If my alphabet is A, it will break the loop. See this. What happens in this case? The string Harsh is treated as an array of characters. One by one, the value of I is going to use the alphabets. First is H. If I is equal to A, condition false, print H. I is equal to now A is equal to A, yes, break, and the loop terminates. So this is the forcefully termination of the loop. Once we have decided that the for loop starts from the initial value H till the H, and in between we want to terminate on a specific condition, that's this condition, and we are using a break statement. There are so many programs where we are going to use this break. The second important one is continue. What it means? Continue means to skip a particular working inside the iteration, and with the help of continue, the cursor directly move to the starting of the next iteration. Take an example. If in the same code I am going to use a continue, what will happen? See, you will see the output with skip of alphabet A, and the output is HRSH. Basically what it does, continue skips the further execution and starts the next iteration. Okay, Take an example of this hello. The same thing in the form of hello, and I am going to use this continue statement when I is equal to e. In this case, it will print HLLO. Okay, so there is another task for you. If we want to skip two characters, then how we are going to put the condition? In this case, we are going to use the two conditions, means we want to skip E as well as L, or I is equal to L. So now it will skip both the letters and only print H and O. Okay, so this is about the use of continue. Continue basically skips a particular iteration, and break is terminate a complete loop. Sometimes there is a special case where we are not confirm about the condition and we want to put this for the future use. Here we can use pass. This is a placeholder where we can put inside the loop and nothing will happen. See an example. If we are saying for I in hello, and if I is equal to E, we are not putting here anything like continue or break. If I am using here break, means the loop terminates. If I am using here continue, it means it will skip only E. But what will happen if I want to decide it later that what I want to do on this task? In this case, can we do it empty? No, this is not a right choice. So we are using here pass. So directly use pass and the working will remain same. There is no issue. See an example. Pass. Now what will happen when the value of I is equal to E or I is equal to L? It will move to the pass but will work nothing. Means this is nothing and it will directly print all the alphabets. See an example. This hello. So this is about the future use, means we are just putting here a placeholder. In future, this pass is replaced by some existing good conditions. So this is all about the break, continue and pass. Now I would suggest you to try yourself these problems. Means check a number is even or odd, check the entered year is a leap year, check whether a number is a prime or not, or by using the loops you can also try a matrix multiplication with some conditions. I will give the solution of all four problems in my next video. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video I will show step by step solution of these type of examples on